everyone, I am very excited to say that my Notes from Nature by Johanna Basford has arrived today. Now, I ordered it from Waterstones and they do tend to send out as soon as they get stock. So most places won't have sent them out yet. They'll still be on pre-order, but I managed to get mine early, so I'm very excited. So the box came like this. It's loose, there's no plastic around it, anything like that. It was just a box, you know, and it's got beautiful gold foil on the front. Sorry, I hope it's not too blurred, but I'm just going to show you. And it says 30 affirmation cards to colour. I don't know why I thought there were 24, but that's rather nice. Now I'm going to try and look at the ends, but it's going to be out of focus. It says the same on the sides. Here on the side here, which if I tip it you'll be blurred, it says 30 cards and display stand. And on the back it says, channel the calm and positivity of nature, colour blooming flowers, lush foliage and carefree creatures, and be inspired by words of wisdom from the natural world. Whether you're tuning into the affirmations or being uplifted by colouring vibrant hues, let these cards be a companion in cultivating a joyful, balanced life. So again here it says contains 30 cards and display stand, and it shows us here there's a little piece that it stood in. So we'll see how that works when we open it up. I am just going to tell you the size because I had no idea what size it would be. So I'm just going to measure it for you. So that's 18, almost 18 centimetres by almost 14, and the depth is about 3. Let's do that in inches for those of you who do inches. So that's about 5.5 inches by 7, with a depth of about 1.5, I'm guessing. And compared to a book, which I also find quite useful, so this is Small Victories. Let's do that the other way up. So you can see that it is a little bit smaller. It's quite hard to see because of this edge, but it is just a little bit smaller than Small Victories, I guess. There we go. So as you put them side by side, there's the bottom. It's not quite totally in shot, but there you are. Okay, let's just get on and look inside. I'm dying to look inside and see what's in here. So take the top off. Okay, so we can see the cards are, this looks like the little stand. Let's just pop that out. So it's basically, it feels like a piece of reinforced card with this sort of wiggly line. So we'll put that there and we'll tip out the cards. Oops. As you can see, they're wrapped up in a pretty green ribbon, and these I measured these as well, so we're 10 centimeters by 15, or 4 inches by 6. Now I can't guarantee that that is going to be the same size across the world, you know, I don't know. Gosh, they're cold. They've only just arrived. I'm trying to slip this off elegantly. Whoop. That's not gonna work. Hang on. There we go. So I don't know if they're in a particular order or whether each boxes will come in a different order or not. So we'll find out. So here's the first card. Actually, Johanna did a little quick flip through, not showing all of them this morning, and this one was her top card too. So I'm thinking maybe they are in order, the same order. I mean, it doesn't really matter, does it? So here's our card, quite thick. I think, I mean, it's really hard for me to describe how thick this is, but I think that's thicker than postcard, or roughly postcard thickness. On the back, it's just got a copyright. So here it is. We've got slightly rounded corners, which is interesting. Let's pop it in the stand just to see how that works. There we are. I'm going to put it down for you so you can see. It just stands up in the stand. Okay, let's pop all that away for now. So we just look at the cards. So, excuse me, they are cream, not white. I can just see that from looking. You can hear they're quite substantial. There's some tooth there, not too much. So I have confidence in the paper just because Johanna's paper is good. But this isn't made by her usual publishers. I've just noticed this inside of the lid. Colour in the beauty of the natural world and be inspired by its uplifting message. Display your finished artwork in the stand to keep it in mind throughout your day, or pass it on to someone else who needs a boost. Lovely. So let's have a look. So we've got florals. Now, size wise, obviously these are quite small. I would say on this particular page, the thing I would worry most about are the dots on the ladybird, but they could of course be done in pen. The joy with these being single-sided is you can use pens as much as you like, really, and whatever type of pens. And I can't imagine it's going to warp either. So let's get through them. I surround myself with strength and beauty. I embrace every season. That we have a Christmassy, an autumnal, a spring, a summer and a spring. I like that. I have the power to transform. Lovely caterpillar. Little pupa, or is that what they're called? A chrysalis. Butterflies. I play a vital role in this world. A flower does not concern itself with other flowers. It simply blooms. Oh, I like that. I'm going to actually put them to the middle. They'll be less blurred because my focus is sharpest in the centre. I grow in adversity, so we have the beautiful rose amongst all the thorns. I'm really liking all these little phrases. I will weather this storm as I have those before it. My son's motto is that. He always says to me, Mum, we've been through it before, so I know it's going to be fine. It's good, isn't it? In the rain, I look for the rainbow. Oh, that's nice. It felt so thick, that one. I wasn't sure if I'd turned over too. I nurture my dreams. I like the frame of this one. It's nice. I mean, there's obviously some do and some don't. We see that. I've seen this one a few times on Johanna's promotional material. What I nurture will grow. It's a lovely little heart. It's really nice. I have a zest for life. So you have lemons. What a fun one. I deserve the opportunity to grow. Now, what I have noticed about these, which I'm sure you have as well, is they're all unique new drawings. We're not getting, it's not like the planner where we get ones from before. These are all brand new. I move at my own pace. We have the snail. These are quite tiny on this page. Look how small these are compared to my fingernail. Ooh, teeny, but cute at the same time. I grow more vibrant every day. Oh, I like that. My potential unfolds like petals in the sun. I wonder if Johanna made up all of these, or whether someone else did, or whether she sort of took ideas elsewhere. I shine with the quiet strength of the moon. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm grateful for every new day. How lovely. Even the mightiest oak came from a tiny acorn. I mean, that's quite an old expression. It's put in a slightly different way. I trust the path ahead of me. I like that design. Lovely. I find my flow in the things I love. Every snowflake teaches me the beauty of individuality. Some places might have snow today in the UK, though it's forecast overnight. We didn't get any. I'm needed and I am cherished. I love the cherries. Lovely blossoms. I stand tall and proud. The stillness of nature brings me peace and focus. I like that. I thought it was a symmetrical design, but it isn't. They're different. I shine like golden leaves in sunlight. Do we colour the leaves gold? Good question. We've seen, I don't know, because she shared one with us. It wasn't this one. I saw above when others seek to bring me down. There was one with birds on that she shared, but I'm sure there were 3 birds, but there were plants underneath. I'm prepared for whatever life brings. Look at the squirrel. I live in the present, so very part of, you know, not ruminating about the future. Ah, this is the bottom of the one that she shared with us, so it wasn't a whole card, it was a few bits. I'm as resilient as wildflowers in the wind. So that's our last one. So there are our 30. Now I absolutely have plans to colour these on video. I had thought I would do all of them. I'm not sure if I will or not, but that's the plan at the moment, is to do all of them. I'll probably reverse the order again so that I start at the top front and work through them. I think that'll make more sense to me. And I'll probably I'm going to start colouring them quite soon, but I'm going to start putting the video out. It's probably next week, because most people won't have received their boxes if you've ordered them yet. Now there is still time to pre-order if you haven't ordered them. I know some people were waiting for a flip through before they ordered, which is absolutely fair enough, and Johanna has obviously sent a few little sneaky peeks, but not the whole thing. So this will show you, this now shows you the whole thing, so you know what you're going to be getting for your money. So obviously it's up to you if you want to order or not. I do have my affiliate links for Amazon and Waterstones in the video description, but you know, it's up to you whether you choose to go with a smaller seller, bookshop, or whatever. You know, it's lovely to support the small ones, which is partly why I do order from Waterstones, apart from the fact that they send everything really quickly, but they are a slightly smaller. They're not independent by any means, they're big, but they're smaller than Amazon, you know. But anyway, that is me. That is here it is, our box and our cards. So that's what you can get, that's what you get with them. Now I think the size fits in quite a good standard envelope, but I haven't tried it out, and obviously it depends where you are in the world as to whether your envelopes are going to fit. So I was thinking they'd be quite nice to pop in with a birthday card or something like that, coloured or uncoloured. It depends on your mood. So yeah, I may be doing that, but obviously it depends on the size of the card. Anyway, I'm going to go. I think that's quite enough yapping. But as I say, they're out next week. I think it's 24th, 26th, depending on where you are in the world. Obviously, some countries won't get them yet, but those are the Amazon UK and US dates. But yeah, I'm really excited about getting stuck into some colouring of these. I think they're beautiful, and affirmations are just really my thing, but obviously not for everyone. But there you are. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and have a super day. Thank you so much, and happy colouring.